Today we'll show you how to repair an Honor 70 that won't turn on. First, let's try turning on the phone. The phone won't turn on. Next, plug in the charger. Also, the phone won't charge. Warm the back of the phone with heating pads to soften the adhesive on the back cover. Next, insert the plastic card, then gradually slice the back cover. Apply alcohol and keep slicing the back cover. Remove the back cover and unscrew the motherboard cover. Remove the motherboard cover. Disconnect the battery, charging, and display flex cables. Disconnect the cameras. Disconnect the antenna wires. Unscrew the motherboard. Then take out the motherboard. This type of issue is common with Honor phones, and in our experience, it is typically caused by the CPU. So we need to reball the CPU. Cover the cameras with dust-proof sticker. Remove the metal cover on the CPU and UFS storage. Remove the thermal grease from the CPU. Then attach the motherboard to the PCB holder. Cover the CPU and UFS storage with heat-resistant tape. Using a mini grinder tool, cut the metal branch obstructing the CPU. The purpose of applying tape is to prevent metal dust from entering under open ICs. Clean the metal dust with the brush. Then remove the tape with tweezers. Remove the cut metal with nippers. Scrape the glue around the CPU while heating it with a hot air gun set to 200 degrees Celsius and airflow 60. Place a thermal pad on the UFS storage to protect it from heat. Then, heat the CPU with a hot air gun at 360 degrees Celsius and airflow 50. Gently poke the underside of the CPU with tweezers, and when it is ready, gently pry up the CPU with tweezers. Apply flux paste and low-temperature solder paste to the bonding pads. Melt the low-temperature solder paste and spread it over the bonding pads to soften the existing solder. Clean the tin on the bonding pads with a soldering iron and desoldering wick. Clean the bonding pads with PCB cleaner. Keep cleaning the bonding pads. Clean the bonding pads with PCB cleaner again. Next, apply flux paste and low temperature solder paste to the CPU. Melt the low temperature solder paste and spread it over the CPU bonding pads to soften the existing solder. Then, scrape off the black glue from the CPU with a soldering iron. Apply flux paste again. Clean it with a PCB cleaner. Apply flux paste again. Then clean the tin with a soldering iron and desoldering wick. Clean it with a PCB cleaner. Next, reball the CPU. Align the reballing stencil with the CPU. Apply 183 temperature solder paste and scatter it. Then clean the excess solder paste. Heat with a hot air gun at 300 degrees Celsius until the balls form. Detach the reballing stencil and detach the CPU. Apply flux paste to the bonding pads. Place the CPU in the correct position. Solder the CPU with a hot air gun at 340 degrees Celsius and airflow 50. Gently shake the CPU with tweezers. Remove the thermal pad. Detach the motherboard from the PCB holder. Cover the CPU in UFS storage. Install the motherboard. Then screw the motherboard. Connect the charging, display and battery flex cables. Plug in the charger. The phone boots normally. Honor 70 won't turn on and won't charge. CPU Reball has been successfully repaired.